Hello guys, so today I'll tell you how to make graphs using graphpad, prism software, which is a great software. So in navigation page, you will see a link to graphpad prism. So you'll download this one. Then you need to install it, and then you need to copy the crack file into the installation folder. And this way, graphpad prism will work. When you open a page, when you open graphpad prism, this is what you're gonna see. So here you can make a new file, new prism project file. You can say a column or XY. You can change it later on. There are also some other options I am also not aware of. Let's move with XY graph. So here, for example, we can make a germination curve. So in x-axis, we can say days and then first day, second, third, fourth. And this is the percent germinated plants. So in first replicate, these are the replications. So we have 3 replications. You can increase the number of replications. For example, if we have 4 replicates, then we push here, then enter here for why I have 4 replicates. You can work on these things. It's very intuitive. Okay, so you have the table. And what's very nice, I like most with this software is you can write here the information of the project. So the date of experiment and the protocol and the notes. So everything is in order. And where the data is found, you have also the graph and everything. So when you have the data here, to make a graph, you don't need to like select the values. What you do is just you push here, the graph will be automatically there. And then you can change the properties of this graph. It has been a while, I haven't worked on it, so I forgot many things. But for example, you can change the graph very easily by just pushing here. In my case, it's a bit slow. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's cracked. I don't know. So here you can change the graph, and then whatever you do here, you will see immediately how the graph will look like. You see, and then instead of X, Y, you can try the grouped ones and so on. A lot of options. Okay, let's remain in this. Okay, then you can move these things to the best places. It's very easy to move everything, you see. And what's really great is then you can export it with EMF and clear background. So this is then a vector file. If you don't know what a vector file is, just read about it. If you have a vector file, you don't have any problem with the resolution. Never ever you can make it world size, and then this huge size, there will be no issues with the resolution. So I recommend you export it as EMF with clear background. Or you can just put it in a PowerPoint slide and so on. You can change the colors very easily, black and white. You can make the axis broke. You can broke the axis and Right now I don't remember. If you have many graphs, then you can just push here, magic make graphs consistent, and then it'll ask you which graph should it make it consistent with, and then it will put all the graphs the same size. Normally we have to spend a lot of time for such things, you know. Okay, and then you can write y-axis and you can write x-axis, and so easily. Another thing is, let's say you do the same experiment again, so all these and these parts are will be the same. So if you push right click here and then say duplicate the family, then you will just change the data points. It'll duplicate the family, so you don't have to write all these columns and all these columns again. And the graph will be again, will appear here. Project info will appear here. So in one document, you can have all the set of experiments, the related experiments. This way, you put all the data in one document, and when you come 10 years later, you will still find the data and change the graph very easily. And I did it. I used the same data, like I used the data I produced years and years ago, and it worked very well. So really, I recommend you to use this software. There is a lot more. You can also do the statistical analysis in this program, which is also great. It puts the asterisks by itself, and you can then change it. You will get a great time. Sorry, you will save great time using this software, but more importantly, you will not lose the essential information of the experiments, even after a lot of years. Go for it.